Downloading data from Chime can help you keep track of your finances and transactions. Follow these steps to easily download your data. Step 1. Log into your Chime account. Visit the Chime website or open the Chime app on your mobile device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the menu or by tapping on your profile icon. Step 3. Find the Data Download option. In the Account Settings, search for an option related to data downloads or transaction history. This may be labeled as Download Data or Export Transactions. Step 4. Select the data type and date range. Choose the type of data you want to download, such as transaction history or account statements. Then specify the date range for the data you wish to export. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting your preferences, click on the Download button. The data will typically be saved in a CSV or PDF format, which you can access from your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Chime and keep track of your financial activities.